I just went to Rosar's and got all the ingredients I need for an easy weeknight meal. On the menu tonight, we are going to be having honey chicken bowls served over rice with a side of broccoli. We got some bell pepper, green onions, lots of broccoli, and we grabbed some chicken. We're gonna start by marinating the chicken and then we'll get into everything else. Be a little extra and add garlic, green onion, and a little ginger to my marinade as well. I'm just gonna set this in the fridge for 30 minutes. All right, we're gonna let this rice do its thing. I always pick the smallest cutting board when I'm doing this. Okay, we are at the point where our rice is done, our chicken is done marinating, and we're ready to cook it and kind of get all of this assembled. Whew, it's windy. I'm going to put the red peppers and green onions in the sauce right now too, just to kind of help soften it. Here's our honey chicken bowl, ready for dinner.